Hey traders, SAOS is currently trading at $0074 after an insane 260% jump this week. Now the big question is this the start of the next bullish momentum or just another trap? Oh, all right, let's jump into the analysis and see what the chart is telling us.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over facts.
And don't forget to check out our Patreon page. We've just posted fresh premium signals with solid targets, so you don't want to miss them. Start with the tester plan for just $10. Link is in the description and comments below. And remember, always do your own research. This is not financial advice.
Feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.